Hey guys, I want to do a quick review for you on this XTEC Circuit Breaker Finder. I'm always doing projects around the house, working on stuff. I recently wanted to change out a lot of my plugs, so I wanted to get something like this so I can run down in the basement and turn off breakers and not need help figuring it out. So that's been something that I've had a problem with before, right? And this has been really helpful with that. So I'll just kind of run through and tell you an example of how it works. One thing you'll see is it comes in a pack separated, but as a holder there really is all that is, so you can keep your pieces together and not lose it. But anyway, so it's really cool. All you have to do is take and plug this into your outlet, and then you leave it there, and then you can run downstairs to your breaker, and it has, I don't know, hopefully you can see, it has a up and down arrows on there. It's really easy. All you do is you go up to your breaker panel and you put this and you just kind of move it up and down. You have to adjust the sensitivity, but you move it up and down across the breakers, and it indicates like it beeps to give you a notification when you get close to the breaker. And as you get closer and closer to it, you turn the sensitivity down to help you find the exact breaker that you're in. So prior to using something like this, I'd have to yell up to my wife, hit all the breakers, is that the right one, is that the right one? But this makes it a lot easier, so I can just run down, hit the breaker off, go up and change and do what I need to do. So that's been really cool. And then this actual plug checker here itself is also really nice, because you can go around your house and hopefully you can see the kind of codes, indicators on there. That's really cool. So even if you're not necessarily changing a plug, or you just want to check to see if your plugs are in compliance or with what they're supposed to be, this does a really good job with it, right? So you can plug it in, and if it shows correct wiring, if it's right, you get 2 green lights. And I won't read through all the codes or keys for you, but you can plug it in and it tells you everything that's there. And then the other thing that I found actually really lucky with is I checked one of my GFIs with this earlier and found that it actually didn't work, so I know I need to change it. So next to my kitchen sink, so to test your GFIs, you plug it in and you just hit that button and it trips your GFI. Mine didn't trip, so I know I need to go ahead and replace it. And just to make sure that it wasn't a problem with this, I checked some of the other ones in my house and they all worked fine. So this is a really cool thing to have around your house if you do any type of work, handiwork yourself. So I highly recommend it.